Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Hi, I'm the new Sunday for this collab channel. Since I missed the first few challenges, hey, quiet. I'm going to do a quick version of those. Alright, so my name's Nick. My best friend's Chad. He's on my other channel. I may or may not put a link. Could be anywhere in this general area. I met him in kindergarten. First day of school, and we both needed to sit somewhere on the bus. We had to sit next to each other, and it was the typical kindergarten, thing. Hey! You wanna be my friend? I have Power Ranger action figures! Well then, go Power Rangers! Kindergarten crap. Stuff that doesn't matter anymore. Anyway, this week's challenge was to do your favorite celebrity impersonation. I noticed pretty much everyone else picked Justin Bieber. Big flippin' surprise. So I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna impersonate a bunch of celebrities. I don't think I'm gonna tell you who they are. You're just gonna have to comment and figure it out. Sound good? Excuse me, sir? Hi! Cabs are here! Well, hey there, Chris. Get her done! Are you friends with her? Oh god. Too much. Anyway, comment and see if you can figure out who I was trying to be. Some of them are obvious, some you might have to work a little bit. Later.